In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add PayPal payments to Webflow step by step so you can start accepting payments on your website quickly and securely. This is perfect if you're building an e-commerce site, selling products, or offering paid services using Webflow. We'll go through the entire process inside Webflow, and by the end of this video, your PayPal account will be connected and ready to accept payments. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Webflow tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Webflow site dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the Webflow account that owns the project you want to add PayPal payments to. From the dashboard, locate the site where you want to enable PayPal and click to open it. This will take you into the Webflow designer view for your website. Once your site loads in the designer, look toward the left-hand side or top menu and click on the Settings option for your project. This is where Webflow stores all site-wide configurations, including hosting, e-commerce, and payment settings. After clicking Settings, you'll see several tabs across the top. From these options, click on E-commerce. This section is specifically designed for managing products, checkout, and payment providers in Webflow. Inside the e-commerce settings, look for the Payments section and click on it. This is where you can connect payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe to your Webflow site. In the Payments area, you'll see the option to connect PayPal. Click on the PayPal Connect button to begin the process. Webflow will now prompt you to sign in to your PayPal account. Make sure you use the PayPal account that you want to receive payments with, whether that's a business account or a personal account configured for e-commerce. Once you log into PayPal, you'll be asked to approve permissions so Webflow can process payments on your behalf. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow or Agree to continue. After the connection is successful, you'll be redirected back to Webflow, and you should now see PayPal listed as an active payment method in your e-commerce settings. At this point, PayPal is officially connected to your Webflow site. Now make sure you save your settings before leaving this page. This is very important so your changes don't get lost. Once saved, PayPal will be available during checkout for your customers, allowing them to pay using their PayPal balance, linked bank account, or credit card. Before going live, it's always a good idea to run a quick test transaction using PayPal Sandbox or a low-cost product to make sure everything works as expected. That way, you can confirm the checkout flow, payment confirmation, and order notifications are working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added PayPal payments to your Webflow website. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Webflow tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.